If you're watching this video, you are either new to the MetaTrader 4 platform or you're looking for a better broker that supports the MetaTrader 4 platform. Either way, you are the right place. You see, many traders think that the MetaTrader 4 platform is the same across all brokers. It's just like saying that all cars are the same because they all have four wheels, and we both know that that's not true. The platform might be the same, but the broker you choose will completely change your experience. So what exactly is MetaTrader 4? MetaTrader 4, or MT4 as it is commonly called, is one of the most popular trading platforms globally, and it was developed by MetaQuote Software back in 2005. With MetaTrader 4, you can read charts and use built-in indicators. You can place your trades and manage your trades directly from the chart. You can set price alerts so you do not miss out on any trading opportunities. You can also automate your trades with expert advisors, EAs, also known as trading robots. And talking about auto trading, MetaTrader 4 allows algorithmic trading through expert advisors. This means that you can test and apply the trading strategies you built yourself and the ones you acquired. You can also customize the MetaTrader 4 platform with thousands of plugins and add-ons. And then this MetaTrader 4 platform is available on web, on desktop, and on mobile devices, so you can place your trades and manage your trades from anywhere. Here's the thing, MetaTrader 4 is just the platform. The broker is what gives you access to the market. A good broker that supports the MetaTrader 4 platform will not just give you the basic MetaTrader 4 setup. They will add faster execution speed, access to more markets, extra tools like advanced charting, economic calendars, indicators, plugins, and even risk management tools like stop loss orders or even guaranteed stop loss orders and one-click trading. So the platform may look the same, but the actual trading condition depends entirely on the broker. How do you choose the best broker that supports the MetaTrader 4 platform? Now, choosing the best broker that supports the MetaTrader 4 platform requires thorough evaluation of key factors to ensure that you have a secure, efficient, and cost-effective trading experience. These factors include 1. Regulation. Now, this is non-negotiable. For UK traders, you must ensure that the broker is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, the FCA, which makes sure that your funds are protected. 2 is tight spreads and transparent fees. Now, the tighter the spreads, the less you get to pay for every trade, and you have to look out for commission and other fees that may apply. 3 is trading tools and add-ons like smart trader tools, VPS hosting for automated strategies, and even market research, as well as others. 4 is account flexibility. The broker must provide account types that meet your trading needs and your capital as well. 5 is educational resources like seminars, webinars, articles, and the rest. 6 is a good customer support. A good customer support can be very helpful, especially in cases where you have issues with your account. And then lastly, local payment method. This alone saves you from extra cost, which is the currency conversion cost. If you stick till the end of this video, you will get to know how to sign up with a MetaTrader 4 broker and how to link your accounts to the MetaTrader 4 platform, both on the web and on mobile. Now, in no particular order, let's begin this review of the best MetaTrader 4 brokers for UK traders with City Index, which has been in operation since 1983. They might even be older than you watching this video right now. They have over 13,500 spread betting and CFD instruments, and they are regulated by the FCA, which means that you are protected under the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, the FSCS, which should give you peace of mind. If you would like to know more about the FCA regulation, how to check an FCA regulated broker, and even the FSCS scheme, then check out our video on the best brokers in the UK. With City Index MetaTrader 4, you can explore 30 standard indicators, over 2,000 free technical indicators, and 700 indicators you have to pay for, and they all include custom and technical indicators, then 9 time frames and 24 analytical objects. For automated trading, you can explore 9 expert advisors from FX Blue that has over 20 apps with custom indicators and expert advisors, including Sentiment Trader. Fundamental and technical analysis and market news from routers are also available. Not to forget their chart types and drawing tools. Hedging is also available, but you can only trade indices, Forex, metals, and commodities, and not shares. For convenience, the City Index MetaTrader platform can be accessible on web, desktop, and mobile devices, but you cannot place trades on the mobile app version. You can only make deposits and withdrawals, as well as check news and make analysis. Also, you can manage your expert advisors with VPS hosting, which you have to install as one of the MetaTrader 4 softwares. To trade on the City Index MetaTrader 4 platform, you will need a minimum deposit of £100 and you will need to open a MetaTrader 4 account to trade on the MetaTrader 4 platform. To make deposits and withdrawals, you can do that via credit and debit cards without any transaction charge, but you can only make deposits in your account-based currency. Spreads on the MetaTrader 4 account start from 0.5 pips and no commission is charged. You will be charged overnight financing or swap fees when you leave your open position overnight. Then when your profit and losses are converted into your account-based currency, you will be charged currency conversion fee, but this fee does not apply for your deposit and withdrawals. Also, if you leave your account without any trading activity for a period of 12 months, you will be charged a monthly £12 inactivity fee. Now, to get the full details of City Index, you have to check out our comprehensive and unbiased City Index review. The link will be in the description. FXTM, or Forex Time, which is the trading name for Algorithmic UK Limited, has been in operation since 2011 and they are regulated by the FCA. They also support the MetaTrader 4 platform and they have vast educational resources like their daily market analysis as well as payment methods that are friendly to UK traders. On FXTM's MetaTrader 4, you can trade Forex, commodities, indices, and other CFD assets. MetaTrader 4 with FXTM comes with all the core features you would expect, including over 30 technical indicators to help you identify market trends and signals for entry and exit points, automated trading support, and up to 9 time frames. And you can combine them with their free VPS server for automated trading. With the MQL4 language, you can develop your trading strategies, expert advisors, custom indicators, and other features needed to manage your trading experience. FXTM's MetaTrader 4 is available on desktop, web, and on mobile, and even on Mac. Now, for their pricing structure, this depends on their account types. On the Advantage account, spreads can start from as low as 0.0 pips with commission from $3.5 per lot for Forex. The higher your equity and the larger your trading volume, the lower the commission you pay, which is also known as floating commission. The Advantage Plus account offers commission-free trading with spreads starting from around 1.5 pips, but their minimum deposit is $200. Let's head on to another spread betting and CFD broker that is FCA-regulated, and this is listed on the London Stock Exchange. It is CMC Markets. It has been around since 1989, and although it is known for its proprietary platform, it also supports the MetaTrader 4 platform. You can trade on the CMC Markets MetaTrader 4 platform either with their spread betting account or their CFD account with spreads from 0.5 pips, or you can also trade with the FX Active account that comes with raw spreads from 0 pips for 6 major pairs and 25% spread discount on all Forex pairs with fixed commission of $2.5 for every $100,000 traded. Apart from spreads and commission, you will also be charged holding costs. Trading with CMC Markets MetaTrader 4 gives you access to free premium indicators and expert advisors, which is helpful for technical analysis. With the Excel RTD plugin, you can connect real-time MT4 data into your Excel spreadsheets. This can help with your analysis. You can also post updates on important price movements on X directly from the MT4. Some of the premium expert advisors you can access free of charge is the mini terminal that allows you to convert your chart trend lines into automatic stop loss or take profit orders, as well as calculate stop losses as a percentage of your account level. The trade terminal, alarm manager, correlation metric, stilt orders, tick chart trader, auto chartist, VPS, sentiment trader, and others are also available. The MT4 platform can also be traded on web, desktop, and on mobile devices. They have over 12,000 assets that includes Forex, indices, commodities, shares and ETFs, shares baskets, rates and bonds. Their recommended minimum deposit is £250 and you can make deposits and withdrawals via bank transfer, online banking and card payments. Let's talk about IG Markets. IG Markets is an FTSE 250 member that is regulated by the FCA and has been in the business for over 50 years. They have offices in various parts of the world and they have over 15,000 tradable instruments with 24/7 customer support system and a bunch of educational resources. On IG Markets MetaTrader 4, you can trade spread bets and CFDs on major indices, Forex and some commodities in real time through their standard account, and you can access this platform on your mobile device and on Mac also, apart from the desktop and web. They operate a spread-only model with no commission charge, so you will be charged spreads from 0.6 pips on major Forex pairs like the Euro-USD pair. Then you can either use their VPS hosting free of charge if you can maintain a balance of £5,000, or you will be charged £50 monthly. Other account-related fees are inactivity fee of £12 that is charged monthly if there is no trading activity for 2 years or more, and then account documentation fee of $50 if you are yet to fill the mandatory W8 form as a non-US citizen or W9 form as a US citizen for trading qualifying US stock. Trading with IG on MetaTrader 4, you will be trading with 6 technical indicators, 12 add-ons, signal center, expert advisors and auto chartists. On IG Markets, deposits and withdrawals will be carried out through credit and debit cards and bank transfer with no extra charges. That is if you are making payments in your account-based currency, which is pound. The minimum deposit is £1 for card payment, as there is no minimum deposit requirement for bank transfer, but the minimum withdrawal is £100. Another broker that supports the MetaTrader 4 platform with vast educational resources and over 2,700 assets is Pepperstone. Founded in 2010, Pepperstone is a CFD and spread betting broker that is regulated by the FCA. It can be suitable for active traders, whether scalpers, day traders, and even algorithmic traders. On Pepperstone's MetaTrader 4 platform, you can either trade with their spread betting accounts that is spread based with no commission, having spreads from 0.6 pips, or the CFD standard account that has spreads from 1 pip with no commission, or even the CFD Razor account that has commission-based pricing from £2.25 per lot per side and raw Forex spreads from 0 pips. Other fees include the swap fee. Pepperstone's MetaTrader 4 platform has 9 time frames, not to forget their Smart Trader Tools package, which is a suite of add-ons and indicators that gives you better trade management, market insight, and execution control. Instead of relying on third-party plugins, Smart Trader Tools is more like a polished toolkit directly integrated with your MetaTrader 4 platform. Beyond desktop, Pepperstone supports MetaTrader 4 on mobile and on web. The mobile app is especially useful for monitoring trades so you do not miss out on market opportunities. They went further to make their MetaTrader 4 platform available on Ubuntu and Debian for Linux operating system users, which is an alternative to Windows or Mac OS. To trade with Pepperstone, you need a minimum deposit of $10, which can be made through bank transfer, credit and debit cards, or even e-wallets. We have done a comprehensive review of Pepperstone. To watch that review, you can either check our channel or you check the link in the description. Now, let me show you how to sign up with a MetaTrader 4 broker and how to link your account to the MetaTrader 4 platform. Once you've done your research and you've chosen a broker to trade with, go to their official website and open a demo account to first test how this broker operates, or you can open a live account straight away if you wish. It is important to go to their official website because there are a lot of cloned websites out there. For UK traders, you can go to the FCA's website to check if the broker is regulated by the FCA. And on that page, you'll get to see the official website link of the broker. In the description, there is a link to the video that will show you how to check for FCA-regulated brokers on the FCA website so you can go through that process yourself. As you can see, we already searched for Pepperstone. Now on Pepperstone's homepage, you have to click on Join Now, that is at the top right. Then you have to also choose your preferred sign-up method. When you're signing up with a broker, you will need to provide some important information like what you're seeing on the screen right now. And even after signing up, there are some relevant documents and information that you will still need to provide. That is if you want to trade with a live account. When that is done, you can select either a live trading account or a demo account. Now you will need to open a MetaTrader 4 account to proceed. So you will click on Add a trading account. Then you will select the MetaTrader 4 account type you wish to open, if it is a standard account, a razor account, or a spread betting account. Then proceed. Once your account has been created, you will be given your login details and your server details. Now these details are very important, so you have to save them somewhere. Now you can choose to launch MetaTrader 4 on WebTrader or download the desktop version. For the sake of this video, we will launch the MetaTrader 4 WebTrader, where we will link the Pepperstone account we just created to the MetaTrader 4 platform. But before you link that account, make sure you create your MetaTrader 4 account password, which you will need to link your account to the MetaTrader 4 platform. On the MetaTrader 4 platform, you will need to fill in your login details, the password you just created, and the server details. Now, if any of these details are wrong, you will not be able to log into the MetaTrader 4 account. When you input the right details, you will be logged in successfully into the MetaTrader 4 platform, and you can access their features and their offerings. Now, that's how to sign up with a MetaTrader 4 broker and how to link your account to the MetaTrader 4 platform. Let's also link that same account to the MetaTrader 4 platform on mobile. On mobile, once you have downloaded the MetaTrader 4 platform either through the Play Store or the App Store, you can log into your account by searching for your broker. In this case, we are searching for Pepperstone, and for the server name we were given when we opened the account. Then you will then need to log in with your login details and the password that you created. Now, if any of the details you provided are wrong, your account will not be connected. But if they are correct, your account will be connected immediately. After it has been connected, you can click on Quotes to see the price movement of assets. This is to show that you have been logged in and your account is active. So here's the takeaway. MetaTrader 4 is a good platform, but your broker is what truly defines your trading experience. A good broker will give you better pricing, extra tools, and the extra edge you need for your trading journey. If you are new, don't rush it. Make use of the broker's demo account. They are free, they help you practice risk-free, and they help you understand the market and how the broker operates before putting your real money on the line. At the end of the day, trading is a journey, and the broker you choose is like the car you drive on that road. Pick one that is safe, reliable, and will take you to where you want to go. That is, it suits your trading style. And to do that, you need to invest your time in your own personal research, as this video is not a financial advice. Plus, trading involves a significant amount of risk. If you found this video helpful, then hit that like button and leave a comment that could even be a question or your experience with any of these brokers. You can also visit our website at safeforexbrokers.com. And while you're visiting our channel to see our other videos, make sure you subscribe to this channel. We have also done a full breakdown of the best forex brokers in the UK. The video is on the screen right now. Until I come your way again, happy trading.